Hey y'all, and welcome back. It's just me and little man today, and we are at the Life and Science Museum in Durham. I wanted to take little man out for something a little fun since I'll be out of commission next week, and I'll explain that on the next vlog. But Hank is at the house because he doesn't feel good, so it's just me and homie hanging out. So we're gonna go see some exhibits, do some things, have some fun. So so we stopped at the Sprouts Cafe. I got a barbecue sandwich, mac and cheese. I didn't know what else I wanted. I was just like, mac and cheese, mac and cheese, mac and cheese. How was it? Good. Solid? It's not bad. You like it?
Yeah.
Had Sunny D for the first time. How was it?
Good.
Mm-hmm. Alright, we had some food, so now we're down here by the bird exhibit. There's so much around here. We're gonna have to come back like when we have more time because there's a lot. There's a lot out here. So now he's over there listening to birds, or listening about birds. Pulling this kid out of the mist was extremely hard. He is soaking wet. Soaking wet. So next time, gotta have more time here. I actually think we should probably just do the membership so that way we can come more often, right? Yeah, so. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely have to come back. I actually had a lot of fun. There was a lot more stuff there than I realized because the last time we were here, he was little and it was like a Christmas theme kind of thing. So not everything was open and it was at night. So definitely coming back. This quick stop is Andi's, which is like now in Durham. We came here for the grand opening. Going to get some ice cream. Yeah.
Wait, she owns a lot of them?
French vanilla with the brulee top. Can I try yours?
My Oreo thing?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. Jump the airplane.
Mmm. That's good. All right. So how was the ice cream?
Good.
It was good. Yeah.
She said popcorn first.
I did say popcorn. Telling on me. Jesus. Even got on my shirt. Thank God little man saw it. But so we're gonna end it here and we're gonna head on home. Because, you know, he has school tomorrow. And I have work tomorrow. But yeah, if you've watched all this way, I appreciate ya. Like and subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Bye y'all.